What I have here is a glass tumbler. Check this thing out. I've got it here. I'm gonna open it up for y'all and show you. You got your lid right there. That is all glass. This is hand-blown glass. Got a very nice seal that runs around right there. You can see it's a double layer seal. There's 2 layers to that seal right there. Very tight seal. It's got a input air hole right here and that drinking point right here. Very high quality lid. Very nice packaged in a little bubble wrap. This thing is absolutely like beautiful looking when you look at it. I love a good premium cup like this that has a very solid seal to it. Silicone on the bottom for non-slip. Silicone right here around the area where you're gonna hold it, so when it does get kind of wet with condensation or whatever, it will not like slide out of your hands. Freezer safe, microwavable safe, and it has a thermal shock protection, so when you do, and thermal shock is when you when the glass is cold, then you throw in hot water into it, it will not shatter. The way they've designed this is so it can withstand a thermal shock hit like that. If you're drinking out of a plastic cup or maybe even a metal tumbler, sometimes you'll get kind of like a metallic type taste. You do not get it with this glass blown tumbler right here. I'm going to show you real quick putting some ice water in it. I'm going to try to leak test it for y'all real quick. Does not leak at all. Let's say if I lay it down on its side, outside the actual like mouth hole on it, this thing will not leak at all. Very solid. Kind of has a good glass sound to it. I like that sound. Has a nice premium like sound to that when the ice is in there, where you can hear that ice moving around. This is the 14-ounce version. It does come in several versions, but I went with a 14-ounce version because pretty much I use about this much coffee in the mornings, and this has become my new go-to coffee mug. I really like how long it keeps everything warm in here and how long it keeps it cold. And that lid just goes on there. Such a nice, satisfying feeling when that lid clicks on there. All right, there you go, everybody. That's the Tupkee hand-blown double liner glass tumbler. Yeah, that's all I got today in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Woo!